everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anna and I like makeup. So today we are testing a bunch of new makeup by a brand that I have never used before. So we're basically doing a brand review, and the brand we're going to be reviewing today is Beauty Creations Cosmetics. Now before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, and also subscribe to my channel. I put out videos twice a week and it helps me create more content just like this. I got this bright green box by Beauty Creation Cosmetics in the mail today, and I'm really excited. This is a cruelty-free beauty brand. I see them all over Instagram all the time, and I was like, hey, I need to try this because some of their products look really cute. They're very affordable. We love that. And so now I am really excited to open this up because I got a ton of beauty products. We're gonna do a full face of Beauty Creation Cosmetics. All right, so let's dive into our box. I think I hope. I went online and I bought like a full face of their cosmetics, and it was really affordable and it got here really fast. So I love that. Also, the box says Happy St. Patrick's Day. I mean, it's almost May, but thank you. A little late, but thank you. So all of these, oh, so colorful, so pretty. I'm really excited. Let's pull out the face products first. So let's see. We have a Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer by Beauty Creations. I also got their Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage, and I got the color FS 2.5, which looks dark, which is weird because I know I got a very light shade. Let's pull that out. Okay, that's not too dark. All right, so I got this hydrating primer that we're gonna start off with. Oil-free and a dewy finish. Again, cruelty-free, we love that. Okay, so I really like this pump packaging, and let's try it out. Oh, it's like greeny. Ooh, it kind of has, I don't know if you could tell, it kind of has like a green, like a greeny blue tint. Can you see that? It has a very like fresh skincare smell, and it feels like a moisturizer. Kind of like a whipped moisturizer, kind of feels like. So we're just gonna put this on. I love anything that says hydrating because, as I have mentioned multiple times on my channel, I have really, really dry skin. Kind of has that like cucumbery, fresh scent. You could see the moisture on my skin. It definitely looks dewy and fresh. Okay, it feels nice. Like it feels nice on the skin. We're gonna put the Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage on top. It says shake well on the back, so I'm gonna take my little sponge. Let's see what the color looks like. Again, super cute. Love that like rose gold color. This looks a bit dark for me. I don't think this is the right color. I know I got one of their like lightest colors, but this looks really dark for me, at least like really tan. It's very yellow, which is fine. I usually tend to use a yellowy foundation because I have kind of like a warm yellowy undertone, but this is like way too tan for me. But that's fine, we're gonna make it work. We're just gonna try and blend it out as best as we can. It does have a scent, which I don't particularly like scented makeup. Like this is definitely like an added fresh linen scent. So far I just have one side covered, and I mean, you can clearly tell the color difference, but I think it looks pretty good on the skin. It really does. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It says medium to full coverage. I definitely agree with that. Okay, so that's it completely blended into the skin, other than the fact that I know it's the wrong color for me, and I did blend it down my neck to try and make it not so noticeable that it was the wrong color. I do like it. It sits nicely. Very dewy, but yeah, I know you can see it in my hairline that it's the wrong color. I do like it. It looks very nice. It does look very nice. It feels nice. Yeah, we'll see how it wears. Now, I will say I totally forgot to get a concealer somehow. So I'm just gonna use my regular concealer that I've been using, the JCat Stay Surgeons concealer, and I'm just gonna lighten myself up a bit because I am really tan right now and I'm a very pale person, so I'm just gonna put this on really quick. All right, so I just added a little bit concealer to lighten me up. Hopefully that helps a little bit for the high points of my face. Concealer is sitting nice over the foundation, and I know this is a good concealer, so I'm glad it's sitting well. So the foundation is doing really good right now. The primer is doing really good. We're loving it. So let's move on to, I got a Floral Bloom Highlight and Contour palette, and it's really cute. I like the little flowers on there. So this is kind of what it looks like. We got some matte shades here, and then we got like shimmer shades up top. So I'm gonna use this bottom contour shade, this cool toned one, and we're gonna sculpt out my cheekbones. This looks like a very good contour and bronzer color for me. I usually like to use the cool toned one as the contour shade. All right, and we're gonna blend that out. Add some more dimension to my face. Yeah, I like that contour color for me. Don't need to do anything too heavy-handed. I'm trying to decide if I use the bronzer at all, because I look really tan right now, or if I just do like the contour. All right, I think my contour looks really good. I really like it. That's a beautiful color for me. I don't think I'm gonna use the bronzer because I am very tan right now. Let's find out what shade do I want to use. Oh, that's really pretty, very bright. This looks more like a shiny pink blush color, which I don't think I'm gonna use. And then this is a gold, which is very pretty. But I'm more of like the white, bright champagne-y type of highlight person. So I think I'm gonna go with this first one. I'm gonna take my fan brush here and just dip into it. It came out really pigmented on my finger with just one little swipe. So let's see how it comes off with a fan brush. Okay, there she is. I see her. Okay. Okay. Yeah, she's coming out nice. Okay, I really like this. This is a nice highlight. I really like really shiny, intense highlights, and this one is blinding, so I really like it. And then the Cupid's bow, of course. Yeah, our face is looking pretty good. I like it, very shiny. And I love a shiny, bright, intense highlight. So this contour palette, I can definitely see me using. This is a perfect contour shade for me. This is a good bronzer shade. This would be a good like setting shade too. And then I do like the highlights. They are very pretty. So that was the highlight and contour palette. Face is looking really good. So far, I am really liking beauty creation. And now we get into the hard part of deciding what we use, because I got all these colorful, beautiful things. I got liquid and crayon eyeliners. I got 2 different eyelashes. I got 2 different lipsticks. I got this beautiful palette that we're definitely gonna use. Beauty Creations came out with a whole wheel, a whole different bunch of colors of these like color primer bases that everyone has been talking about. Like everyone in the makeup world is just loving these. And so I got primary colors, and then I also got a black as well. So because the palette is already orange, I think I'm gonna try the red base. So we're going to try that out. This is the palette. These are the colors. Very cute. I like the reds, the orange. So first, I think we're gonna put the eye base on. And this is in the color Rockstar. It's the bright red one. And it kind of looks like a paint tube, like a little paint tube. Or why does it weirdly remind me of like little frosting things that you would use on like a cookie? But don't eat this. Don't do it. So I think I've seen most people just apply this like with the brush. So I'm just gonna take like a little fluffy brush that I have. And we're just gonna go for it, right? Do I put it on my eye first? Should I put it straight onto the eye? I'm just gonna do a little dot. I'm gonna see how it goes, right? And then we're gonna blend it in. Very pigmented, oh my gosh. I don't even know what eye look I'm going for. I was just like, I'm gonna put on the red base, because I want to check out this color base, you know? It's nice and pigmented. And these were only, I think these were only like $4 a piece, and a lot of people were comparing them to like the P. Louise base, which are super popular eye bases, but they're like $12 a piece. Okay, the base doesn't have to be perfect, but there's our little base right now. So cute. Okay, so let's open this up. I really like the neon packaging. And I guess we're gonna go for a very red look today, which is fine. I'm totally okay with that. So I'm gonna take this red in the corner here. It's like a mid-tone red with a little bit of orange in there. I'm just gonna get that on my brush here. We're gonna blend that. I'm gonna use that as like our crease and blending color. Now I will say this red base does have a bit of like a pinky undertone. Should I zoom you guys? I should zoom you guys in so that you can really see what I'm doing to my eye. So let me do that really quick. Okay, is this better? You can see now? So I'm just taking that red and I'm just blending it to blend out like that base edge right there. That wasn't very sharp or anything. So we're just blending that out. I'm definitely seeing it deepen up the red base, which is nice. It's looking good. I like it. I really wanted to try these bases ever since I saw them come out. I really wanted to get some, so I did. All right, so we blended that out. We're really red, really smoky. There's one brown in here, so I'm just gonna take the brown and kind of deepen up that like outer, like little V area right there. I don't really know what look I'm going for today. I honestly don't know. I'm just winging it. That brown's pretty pigmented as well. I think you could do a lot with that base. Like you don't even have to put stuff on it. You could do like fun makeup looks with it, very paint-esque looking looks, and I think that would be like really cool. There's a bit of sparkly shades, and I think some of these are more like glitter, and I'm never a big fan of putting like glitters straight on the eye. So we could either go with this very pinkish color here, champagne-y pink on the front, or we could go with this bright gold. This goldy orange. Do I want to do that, or do I want to do like this champagne-y pink color? Or do we do this really dark gold? Ooh, okay, I really like that dark gold. Okay, we're gonna do the dark gold on the lid. I'm gonna take this little packing brush. Usually I use my finger for shimmer shades, but let's just see how it works with the packing brush first. It seems very buttery, like very smooth, coming off nicely. Okay, not as much as I want coming off. Here we go. We might just have to pack this on a bit. I know the color base is mainly like if you're using that color to put it on under, but I just wanted to see how anything sits on top of this. If you could use this just as like an eye primer, if you know you're doing a really like colorful red look, you could use this. I'm gonna try my finger. Let me try my finger. There we go. That's the color I want. I always use my finger for shimmer shades. They just work out so much nicer. We only use like 3 colors, yet our eye is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna darken up that brown just a little bit. I actually think this is a really cute eye look. It's very simple, yet like really cute. And I think it matches like my outfit that I have on today. I'm gonna take a really small brush and I'm gonna pick a color too. I'm gonna take this bright red in the corner and I'm gonna smoke that out under the eye. Ooh, really smoky. And then let's take that like first sparkly pinkish shade and kind of put that on our inner corner a little bit. Look how cute that is. I really like this eye. It's super simple, but super cute. Everything so far that I've tried, very pigmented. That's the chef's kiss right there. So I do have these 2 liquid eyeliners, which are blue and orange, but I don't think I'm gonna use them with this eye look. But I will swatch one of them just in case you were curious. This is also in the color Rockstar. Everything's named Rockstar. So this looks really cute packaging. That's bright. Let's just kind of, that is very bright. And this is actually, it's not a completely, it's kind of like a spongy tip, kind of, and I kind of like that. So I just want to swatch that really quick. I don't think that color would really go with the eye look I did, but I did get 2 of them. I got a blue and an orange one because I wear those colors a lot. But I got these crayon eye pencils. So I got a blue, pink, purple, and red. So of course our red look, should we just put some red in the waterline? And let me just really quick. Nice and pigmented. Again, nice and smooth too. So let's put that in the waterline. Okay, so it's a very like pinky red, but it's pigmented. It works, I like it. Hopefully it stays in the waterline, that's the big thing. So let's see, what else do we have in here? All I have left are lip and eye products. So we have 2 different eyelashes. And yes, I know I haven't finished the other eye. I'm gonna do one of the eyelashes and then I'll do the other eye off camera. So we have this pair right here. This is called, I got 99 problems, but my lash ain't one. And then we got, oh, this one also says I got 99 problems, but a lash ain't one. But they're 2, are they the same or are they different? No, they're different. Okay, what are they called? Do they not have names? Okay, all it says on the back is I got 99 problems, but my lashes ain't one. And it doesn't tell me like what they're called, but they're definitely different. I think I'm gonna go for the more like wispy ones. So I'm gonna go put these on really quick and also do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back and we'll do lips. Okay, and I am back with the other eye done and the lashes on. Oh my God, these lashes are gigantic. They're giant, but they're really cute. They went on pretty good. I had to cut them a little bit because they were a little big for my eye, but I like it. I like the eye look. I like the lashes. The face is looking good. Now we just have the lips. So I got 2 lipsticks. Neither one of them are gonna match this look. I'll tell you that right now, because for some odd reason I didn't pick lipsticks that would go with this. So I picked this like maroony color and then this brown color. Oh, I don't know. There's brown like in the eye, but let's just kind of, okay. I mean, it's a beautiful color. That's why I got it, because I like it, that brown. Go with the eyes? I don't know. And then this is like a mauve-y, bright mauve-y color, kind of. Do we go with the, I kind of want to go with the brown. Do we go with the brown? I'm gonna go, I think, actually that mauve is so much more red than I thought it was gonna be. Just gonna, or do I do? We're gonna do the brown. That pink does not want to come off. It's fine. We'll just put it on top, right? It's a very chocolatey brown. Okay, and there it is. That is the finished look. My full face of Beauty Creations Cosmetics. I think I look really cute. I think I look really cute today. I am in love with this eye look. I haven't done a super dramatic gold and red eye look in a while. And I haven't worn a dark brown lipstick in a while. I didn't do anything for my eyebrows today. I didn't get an eyebrow pencil and I was feeling lazy. I don't think there was a single product I came across that I didn't like. As you can tell, my skin still looks pretty good. I think it does. It looks like skin. I like the highlight. I look really shiny. The contour looks really good. The eyes are just, they're so pretty. I love the sparkly gold. The shimmer shades in that palette were very buttery. The lipstick feels nice on the lips. I just kind of blotted it, you know, to make it not super like heavy or thick on the lips, and it looks great. Feels great. Yeah, I have to say, I give Beauty Creations a thumbs up. They were very inexpensive, shipped and came here really quickly, and their products are all cruelty free. They got my vote. I really like this. I'll definitely be using the palette a lot. This will be my summer foundation, guys. Once we really get into summer and I'm outside and hopefully I get a little bit of color, I'll be using that a lot. I can't wait to keep using the eye bases and the eyeliners that I got. I can't wait to try those. The one I did try, I really, really liked. I thought it was really, really cute and really good, bright, pigmented. So yeah, I'm gonna conclude the video there. Beauty Creation Cosmetics, you got a thumbs up in my book. Definitely consider checking them out. Give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment down below your thoughts if you've tried this brand. And your opinions. I'd love to hear it. I love talking to you guys. And also subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, makes me be able to do more videos like this, and I really appreciate it. I put out videos twice a week, and I hope you have a wonderful day.